Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you most beautiful UI having free weather app for any Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as Rain by Dark Moon Night. On the first list you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases. Just click on it. Now scroll down below again. Now you will see here tons of .apk files, so you can download any .apk file. So I'm gonna download the first one. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on open, click on install. So before clicking on open, just enable the location. Now just click on open, click on next, click on next, click on get started. Now you can just click on this location icon in order to automatically set your respective location. Click on while using the app. Click on done. Now you can see there is an interference of this weather application. So it's a very beautiful looking weather app. So you can see tons of informations below here, everything in a very beautiful form. And below you will see more options. You can set your respective cities. You can set your respective map. And the last one is settings. So under the settings you will get a tons of options like appearance, functions, data, widgets. Here you can customize the widgets directly inside the applications. So if you want the home screen widgets, you can apply it. So tons more options inside the settings. So in my opinion, it's one of the most beautiful UI having free weather app for any Android smartphones or tablets that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.